Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Guess what? We just left with one day, which is going to be tomorrow, and it's Friday. Next week, Monday, is going to be 2024, guys. And you know what I like? Yesterday, we were eating. I never thought maybe the market was going to move like that. If maybe you are part of the team, just let me know that you were eating. Almost all the signals were in profit. Some, the market was still very slow, but I was surprised when we see the market pushing up like that. I saw gold, Euro USD, and the other ones, which was great. But anyways, guys, I have some good stuff for you. You know, I always have something very good. But this special, guys, is just for people who actually subscribed to this channel. I saw, guys, for the few days you subscribed like seriously, and I really like that. You know what? I'm giving away like until this Sunday. Until this Sunday. Don't get me wrong, guys. Firstly, I think maybe you need to see the original price of this. You can see that 12 months, guys, it's actually $250, right? So what we're going to do is just to say I appreciate everything. It's going to be limited. It's 3 days, obviously, because it's until Sunday. So Monday is gonna be 2024. So we're going back to work. So you're gonna get 12 months for only $60. That is limited. Book your spot now. Let me know that you want to be part of the team. So after this, after Sunday, then we're going back to square one. It's a new year. We need to work, guys. So if you want to eat and if you want to be part of the team, you can get some signals for $60. You're saving a lot. I don't know. You can do the math how much you will be saving from $250, but it's enough. So you can see lifetime is still $350, but I'm giving you that $60. It's even less than 6 months, which is actually $150. So you can use this QR code to scan and talk to me on my WhatsApp, and also maybe you can just use the number or check the link in description. So you know what, another thing, I just like to say thanks to all those guys who subscribed to this channel. This is my new channel, guys. We are just talking anything, but it's not really the charts. We just talk about stuff, starting over, focusing on one. You can see on the video there that if maybe you want to be part of the team or on that YouTube channel, you can subscribe. There's nothing, you're not losing anything. So yeah, and I like to say thanks to everyone who already subscribed to that. And if you are not subscribed yet, please support the channel. I hope next year is gonna grow very nice, and it will push me to keep adding some new content in there. And I think all these videos that I'm posting there, they are relating to 90% of people who are trading, especially here on this channel. But without wasting the time, you heard that we have a $60 special. So what's really happening, guys? What's really happening? Sorry. I like what I see, man. I like what I see. We have some very nice structures, and we've been talking about it for quite some time. You can see that on the chart we are on DXY, dollar index. For those who don't know, dollar index actually means it tracks the strength of the dollar. So if the dollar is stronger, we will see it by pushing up. If maybe the dollar is weak, we will see it by going down. So currently we can see that it's going down. So we are on a downtrend, which is something very good. And since we are on a downtrend, you can see previously, what I'm trying to say is previously it was up, which means the dollar was stronger against other pairs. So you can see that yes, the market is still pushing lower on DXY, which shows that the dollar is losing some momentum. But I think it's because next year they're going to cut the rates. We don't know when, maybe after June, as I repeated several times. After June, I think maybe it will be after June when they think about cutting. But we have an area around this level. I think maybe it's where the market is going to reach. Remember, this is the daily time frame. It might take maybe 3 days, 4 days, or even a week for the market to reach this level. If we cut this area here, you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost 7 days for the market I mean, I'm counting these candlesticks. So it means there is also a chance for the market to take maybe a week or two, because this is a bigger time frame. So, but as long as the market is doing what? As long as the market is going down, it means we're still going to buy. But if you check the structure, you will see that the market was reversing a little bit, reversing. So you can also expect that the market can reverse that, and that will now take enough time for the market to reach that area. But as long as we are on this downtrend, we're good. So I'm still bearish. Maybe around this area the market will create a support. We don't know, or we'll see. But this gives us a clue that, you know what, it's good to buy anything that has to do with the dollar. So maybe we can see, you can check maybe USDJPY. You can see that, yeah, the market was going down, especially from this area. You can see that the market was going down. Is the time we saw DXY going down. But beside that, we can easily see that USDJPY, it was on a very nice downtrend, and then we just continue selling. We're just going to continue selling. So I'm just waiting for another breakout. If it breaks out here, I will be jumping on that sell. But I'm expecting to hold this positions, guys, because next month, not next month, next week, I think the market will start to move, and that bullish momentum against the dollar might start, and that will be a very good thing. But that doesn't really mean that the dollar is suffering, just that the market the dollar is stabilizing, or the inflation is going down. So yeah, inflation is going down, which means prices are going down, and things are starting to get starting to be affordable again, and they have to cut the rates. I hope you understand that. So now, and that also encourages investors to invest more in these companies. If we're talking about Nasdaq US30s and the other ones, or S&P 500, right? So now we are on GBP USD. What's really happening? We can see that the market is pushing to the upside. The market is on this uptrend. I've been talking about it for quite some time now, and I like what I see. I like what I see there. You can see that we've been on this uptrend for quite some time. Not really long, but yeah, we've been buying. Ask my people. They've been actually buying for quite some time. They've been buying for quite some time. So you can see that we have this uptrend, which is pushing to the upside. So where we are now, the market has been around this level for quite some time now. I did send the signal in the group. That's why we say you should be part of the team. So I will be showing you the signals. So I'm still expecting the market to do what? To push the upside. But that, if we go closer there, you will see that I'm not just saying we should buy unnecessarily. You can see that we also pointed out the resistant area. The market just broke out of that. We have a buy pending order. The market already triggered that. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually push the upside. I will be showing you those signals in the group. So I'll be telling my people to hold a little bit longer. So this area might tend to be another support. The market might push up. Then we might have something like that going further, and the market will keep doing something like that. So if you get early here, you might find that maybe this area is the lowest area. It's like flu is knocking. Sorry. So yeah, I'm expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. That it's a good one, because it's not like me, we just doing our own thing. We are following the trend. So yeah, I'm expecting an aggressive push to the upside. I'm expecting some serious push to the upside. Whoa, yeah. On this one, we are on Euro USD. I did also take this one yesterday. Yes, this thing was moving, but we got out around this area before it reaches that take profit, because I thought maybe the market was going to just stuck there and start to move slower. But no, I was wrong. But I was right, because I also did make some very nice profits. So you can see that the market was pushing to the upside. The market has been pushing to the upside, even though I think we only have 2 touches. One way or another, the market will end up coming back here around this support. As you know, I've been talking about this area for quite some time, guys. So the market did fly, so we need to get out there. We need a proper reversal before we continue. Maybe the market will reverse and reach this support. If it reaches this support area, it's going to be a very, very nice buy. We're going to continue buying actually as we are on this uptrend. I don't think there is... Oh, okay. I don't think there is much of confusion here, but yeah, if you don't know, maybe you might get confused. But to me, I think we just broke out of this resistance, and as we are on this bullish momentum, we were supposed to take that buy, and we did smash. So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Yeah, the channel is growing very nice because of you. Very, very, very nice. Next year, we're going to talk about different stuff, guys. So on gold, we can easily see that now, man, gold is pushing up. Gold is pushing up very nice. You can see we have our support area there, but the market is now flying. I think the market is it's about to reach this target before maybe we see a proper sell, or maybe the market can surprise us and still push the upside. But if it does that, obviously it's not going to be way too easier for us to keep buying. Why? Because the market will be like seriously higher, and you know that we need to buy low and sell high. So you can see that yesterday here we had a proper structure, and I told my people, you know what, guys, let's just hit and run. Let's hit and run. Guess what? The market did that. You can see that. Let me go on a bit smaller time frame. You can see here we had a nice consolidation, but also going to the upside. On top there, we have a resistance. On the bottom side, we have a support. On this one, my people did miss that. And I did tell you yesterday that I thought maybe the market was going to play games. I took that. I made something there. But I just waited for a very nice reversal there. And the market gave me that. And we did have a very nice buy yesterday. But it was a hit and run, and we did smash that. We did smash that. We did not even hold longer. We did not even actually hold longer. Just imagine if you joined yesterday, let's say maybe with $60. With all these signals, I think you will already recovered your $60, and you will still going to sit here for 12 months. God, so guys, that's why I would say I think my signals are very cheap. The services that I offer, they are very affordable. I know they are very affordable, especially when we're eating like this. So on gold, I'm still expecting sorry, on gold, so on gold, guys, I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside, but I think we just reached the highest level currently, even though we know that we are on an uptrend. So if I go on this, if I go on a daily time frame, you can see that the market is still pushing, but on a 4 hours time frame, you can easily see that the market it's actually very closer to this point. I don't think maybe the market will push there aggressive. If it does that, expect to see some serious sell. So I'm not expecting to hold anytime there. I will wait for a proper sell, then I will just continue. But for now, let's push to the next one, which is going to be US30. So US30 has been very slow, guys. It's been very slow, but I like the structure. The market is still pushing to the upside. And I forgot to tell you about our mentorship, which is 350, guys. So if you join our mentorship now, we're going to start on the second week of January, which is next week. So book your spot, guys, and it's gonna be 12 months until you become a better trader, until you start to eat, and until you get that confident. There's so many people who trade, but they don't really have that confidence. And once you join that, you're also going to receive lifetime VIP signals, which is the same price for $350. So it means like you are saving another the value of 700 actually. So why I like people to join a mentorship is because you start to go into, firstly, you are going to create your own signals. You're gonna do your own analysis. You're gonna choose whatever that you want to trade. You're just going to master your, whether you're working or not, but you know that at your whenever you have the time, you can able to do your analysis very quick. And the most important thing is to have that confidence in the market. And once you have that confidence, you can start to be consistent and at your own time. You see, you don't wait for anyone to create those signals for you. So I think that can be a very good investment. I think it's a good thing to invest in yourself, because some people, they just want to trade, but they don't really want to learn. You have bigger goals, but you don't really have the foundations for that. You need to have solid foundation, serious tools, which is going to be you. You are going to be the tool, because you are going to get the knowledge. You're going to have the skill. So once you go on the market, you'll start to have that confidence. Your mindset is going to change completely. Whether you are a new trader or maybe intermediate, there are so many people who trade. Let's say if maybe you have more than 6 months trading, but you never had any proper withdrawal, or you just keep depositing non-stop. Yeah, I think you need to learn, save that money and learn. And maybe next year, starting from this January, things might change. Same time, you see, now it's December. Maybe December, around the same time, you'll be talking different language, different stuff. Why? Because you invested your time wisely. Quick things, sometimes they don't really have. But learning from January to December, to me, it's still very quick. I think people, they don't really understand that. If you get the right knowledge, that quick thing can happen. But now it happens because you have the knowledge. You know what to do, not what to do. You know when to stay out and when to be active. You see. Okay, enough with the mentorship, but I want people to eat. I like to send signals, but I like people saying, Kenzo, I did take these signals, I did the analysis myself, 1, 2, 3, and now that shows, okay, now we can discuss, you see, now we can talk. But when you are always asking me about the signal, it's fine, because some people, they don't really have that time. But I want us to be the same. We need to eat. Whether maybe you think, maybe, I don't think maybe people understand once you start to eat. It's not like I say, join me now. No. Even though we need only 30 people, but you can still join any other mentors out there. But the most important thing is, if we eat, majority of us eating, I think most people, they're gonna have enough light, and most people, they're going to change their lives. Not only one life, but just imagine one person trading in one family. You change like 4 5 people lives, and that transforms serious. That is a serious change, you see. And I know for those people who are breadwinners, everyone is looking onto you. But maybe you're still waiting for me to send the signals. Maybe this weekend I'll be drinking the whole day or whatever. You're not receiving any signal, which is not really bad, but just imagine if you just want to make some profits, but you're still waiting for someone else. But if you can do that on yourself, you have confidence. Just imagine when you work somewhere and maybe they don't treat you well, you can easily say, no, enough is enough, because you know that you have a backup. But if you don't really have a backup, it's a different story, you see. So save that money, grow that account, have mentorship, have signals, and start to see things different. Take that bold action. Don't say I did not really tell you, right? So now we are on US30. What's really happening? We are still on this uptrend. Very nice uptrend, by the way. So the market is still playing around, but guess what? Yesterday, the market was trying to breaking out of this resistant area. So what I'm expecting here is the market broke out, which is fine. This is 4 hours time frame. I'm expecting the market to shoot to the upside. I'm expecting the market to push up, but sometimes the market can be way too slower. Especially it's 2 days left for the new year, so people, they don't really want to get caught in this movements or wider spreads and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, we are on this uptrend. I'm expecting a continuation of this uptrend, but also a reversal is needed. I think even though we say yes, the market will be pushing up, but along the way we need a proper reversal. I see the other one here, which is fine, but I think we need a bigger one before we also continue pushing to the upside. I hope you see that. So that's what I see. So let's push to the next one. I will be showing you our signals yesterday. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening? You can see that Nasdaq is also pushing to the upside. I've been like talking about this movement for quite some time. I'm still expecting to see a bigger move. Guys, I think next year is going to be like 2020, 2021. Where the market was just on a very nice uptrend. Yesterday we saw a breakout. You can see that, a very nice breakout. We are on a profit, guys. It's not like maybe we're not eating. You can see that we are halfway there. We are halfway there. So I'll be telling my people to lock that profit so that we can continue pushing. But I'm expecting maybe the market to push again before maybe we have a proper reversal. Maybe that will happen next week, as we also have NFP next week, right? So I'm expecting the market to push up until maybe we see something happening. On S&P 500, quite similar thing with the US30. The market just broke out, but we did not really have a proper push to the upside. But I think that will still happen. I'm still expecting to see the market pushing to the upside. So let me show you our signals. Okay, now you can see we had S&P 500 as buy stop, is the one that I was showing you. Also US30, Gbpusd, right? You can see that. I'll be going on Gbpusd and see what's really happening. Okay, Gbpusd, you can see the order is triggered, quite similar to US30 and S&P 500. We had gold. This it's a hit and run. You can see I said you can take a hit and run on gold. If we go on gold, you will see that no, man, we did it very nice on this one. This is a very nice signal, but it's a quicker one, as it was a hit and run. So we also had Euro USD. I said lock your profits on Euro USD, but I already told them to close. You can see here on Euro USD. So on Euro USD I did take out that buy. I hope you saw that at the time I was showing you that. Yeah, we were already, we did take trades around this area, and we did reach that take profit, but I told them to close around this area. I thought maybe we're gonna have some proper reversals. Another one, it was Nasdaq. You can see that buy stop. This is Euro USD and Nasdaq. And Nasdaq, you can see that yes, we did have something. You can see here from this area to this, even though we are still a bit far from take profit, but all those signals were eaten. So just imagine if you joined this $60, obviously you will be far from this, and you still have another 12 months going. So yes, guys, you can join our 12 months, but this is going to end this Sunday. $60 for 12 months signals. So it ends this Sunday. So it means it's limited for a few days. I think maybe it's 3 or 4 days. But I'm just trying to meet everyone halfway, guys. So next year we're no longer going to offer all this type of specials, because we work hard. When you see us eating like this, is because there is serious background, serious work that we do behind the scene, and we practice. I check the news, I check all those things. So if you want to be part of the team, you can scan this QR code or WhatsApp me here, and then you can be part of the team. So you can see that 12 months is actually $250, but now it's $60. So which means you're saving a lot. You're saving like 190 there. With the percentage wise, I don't know, but it's way too much. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash the like on this channel. I'll be putting the link on the comment section. So thanks to everyone who supported the channel, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.